Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must start with an admin user and a restore point because you will change system protection. Once ready, open Windows Security and go straight to Virus and Threat Protection. Make sure Tamper Protection is off in the security settings so you can toggle protections. Now, click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings and find Real-Time Protection. This is the first actionable switch you will flip. Do that now and observe Defender. Stop active scanning temporarily. Once real-time protection is off, decide if you need a temporary or permanent stop. For a quick stop, run PowerShell as administrator and execute set MP preference disable real-time monitoring $true. That turns off scanning until next re-enable. If you want a persistent disable on Pro/Education/Enterprise, open gpedit. MSC. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Once the changes are applied, verify the state in Windows Security and run Get MP Computer Status in PowerShell to confirm Defender components are inactive. If Windows keeps re-enabling Defender, make sure Tamper Protection is still off, and check Windows Update or other security tools for automatic reactivation. If that happens, boot to safe mode to change the registry or roll back to your restore point. These steps complete the process. If you run into errors, inspect Event Viewer for precise reactivation causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.